How do you update a Google Chrome browser in the Chromebook device? Well, actually, you cannot update the browser in a traditional way. So if you actually open Google Chrome, you'll see that the update option is not available. Typically, if you're using Mac or Windows, you can update by going to this menu, and then you can click the help option right here, and then you can click about Google Chrome, and it will reveal a new tab that shows you the version and how you can update the browser. But in Chromebook, it's not like that. So if you actually click on this menu, what's going to happen is there is no update or check for update button. It's not working that way. So instead, in order to update the Google Chrome browser, you have to update the Chrome OS itself, the operating system within your Chromebook. So here's how you can do it. First, of course, you have to open the launcher menu and then navigate to settings. And after that, you want to scroll down and click about Chrome OS, and you want to check for update. Sorry about that. Check for update. There's a little bit of problem here. Okay, now it is checking for update, and right now, unfortunately, I cannot show you the process of updating because right now my Chrome OS is fully up to date. So yeah, I cannot show you the process, but usually when there is an update, it's going to start downloading the update, and it will also start installing the update, and later there will be an option to restart your device to finish the update. That's basically it. And usually once the update is installed and your device is restarted, you are going to be using the latest version of Google Chrome. So remember, the browser Google Chrome is pretty much attached with the operating system itself in the Chrome OS. So if you want to update the browser, then you have to update the operating system. But anyway, that's basically how you can update Google Chrome in Chromebook. I hope you find this tutorial video to be helpful, and I'll see you on the next tutorial video.